Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding apps to your home screen on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up on your home screen to open the app menu. You can swipe from side to side to find the app that you would like to add to your home screen, or you can search for the app in the search bar at the top. Once you have located the app, hold down on it until the menu appears. Select Add to Home from the menu. That app will be added to your home screen. To move the app, hold down on it again until you hear a popping sound and it vibrates. You can then drag and drop the app to wherever you would like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks.